everybody, my name is Kate Berry from the University of Texas at Austin. Welcome to this Math Spiral video where we talk about one of our favorite fluency activity, cards. And when we're talking about fluency, what we mean is doing math in a way that's accurate or efficient. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're memorizing facts, but that we're accurate and efficient with our answer. And when we think about fluency, the reason why it's so important is because it takes less strain off of students' working memory, it builds their confidence, and it really makes every other part of math easier. So when we think about fluency activities, we're thinking about activities that are brief, 1 to 2 minutes, and daily. So when we look at cards, we can see we have playing cards here. I want you to come over here. I have my own set, and I'm going to show you a little game that we play with them. So here what we're going to do is we're going to select a number of playing cards from the deck of cards. I like to go ahead and remove all the face cards. I've removed most of them, but here we have some aces and some kings. So I'm going to just go ahead and remove those face cards and any jokers from our deck. And what I will do is split the deck of cards in half, and we'll place the cards face down. So this is a really good activity to do in small groups or in pairs. And what we'll do is we'll divide the deck in half, have students place their cards face down, then each student will flip over their top card. Now we can either add these two numbers if we're working on addition, subtract these two numbers if we're working on subtraction, or multiply these two cards and if we're focusing on multiplication. So here, let's say we're focusing on addition. So if the two students flip over the card, the first student to say 18 gets to keep the two cards. Then we're going to continue with the next two cards. The first student to say 7 gets to keep 2 cards. And so on and so on. And the game continues until one student has all the cards. If you've ever played War, this game is similar to War, but it's a really great group activity for students to do to practice either addition, subtraction, or multiplication fluency. Thanks so much for tuning into this Math Spiral video where we talked about cards and how to use them as a fluency activity. We look forward to seeing you in other Spiral videos to come.